Hi there, students. Prolix. Prolix. An adjective. Prolixity, the noun, the quality. And prolixly as an adverb. Okay, this word means long-winded. So long as to be boring, using too many words. His speech was so prolix that I just fell asleep. The prolixity of his writing is unbearable. Yeah. I find his speeches are always prolix, and he never uses two words when he can use 10. Okay, so prolix, just stretched out, long, bawdy, wordy, verbose, and just boring and tiresome. Yeah, I hate it when people give prolix explanations. The description was so prolix that it was unnecessary. Yeah. Um, he always gives a very prolix version of what happened, and I hate listening to him. Yeah, his prolix speech is just so long-winded. Yeah, he spoke prolixly to me. So, long-winded, verbose, wordy, periphrastic, pleonastic. Yeah, using too many words. The opposite of prolix is concise. Yeah, voluble, with lots and lots and lots of words. Yeah, just talking on their own. Okay, so prolix, a great word. Tediously lengthy, dwelling on trivial details. Yeah, well, if you the two old gentlemen were sat there chatting on chatting prolixly on matters. Yeah, so very, very, very long and boring. Yeah. Can't you just give me the straight answer without uh, being so prolix about it, without talking to me prolixly? Um, yeah, the way he talked, it was clear he had become prolix with drink and alcohol. Okay, so yeah, prolixity, the uh, use of just too many words. So I think I run the risk of being prolix. Let's see, formality. This is a formal literary word. I'm going to give this a 7.5. Don't use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing. I think it's probably even a bit much for a semi-formal conversation. Yes, you could. Good for an essay. As to origin, it comes from Old French prolix, which comes from Latin prolixus, stretched out. Yeah, maybe courteous and or favourable as well. Pro laxus, and here you've got this word laxus, meaning lax. Okay, so prolix. I better stop, or I'm just going to be so prolix. This is going to be too much for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prolix, prolixity, prolixly.